Well, it's the perfect summer dessert for any occasion.
We are talking about ice cream cake. Now, if you thought ice cream cake was too hard to make, think again.
Justin Chappell, Food and Wine Magazine's deputy test kitchen editor, shows us how.
I love classic ice cream sandwiches. There is something so nostalgic about them. When you layer them with buttercream frosting, you get this ultimate DIY ice cream cake. I'm gonna start by spreading a little bit of buttercream onto a chilled plate, and this is just gonna help the first layer of ice cream sandwiches stick, kind of hold them in place there. And then you're gonna create your first layer here. It's gonna be 3 sandwiches. You're gonna be amazed at how quickly this comes together. Go ahead and spread a nice, even layer. When you do your second layer of ice cream sandwiches, you wanna put them in the opposite direction so you get a really cool looking slice and it holds its shape much better this way. There we go. Layer number 2, and then go in with some more buttercream. I've got 4 beautiful layers, but I want to put on a crumb coat, which is going to help it all hold together. So you'll do a thin layer of buttercream all the way around, and you're going to pop it in the freezer until it's firm. All right, you can see everything's set, and I'm going to go ahead and frost the whole thing, and I'm going to cover it with sprinkles. I think that's perfect. It's going back in the freezer to get nice and firm, then we get to enjoy it. Ta-da! Look at this cake. I cannot wait to cut into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a nice big slice for myself. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Dun, 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 dun. Just as I promised, it is packed with ice cream sandwiches.
I don't think that could have taken more than 10 minutes.
I mean, even less, for sure.
It's unbelievable.
Yeah, that's amazing. And you'll find fun recipes on the Facebook page for Food and Wine Magazine. Food and Wine is published by our parent company, the Meredith Corporation.